Hey guys, this is the Trickster Tech back with another video. Today we are going to review the iOS 14 Beta 2 which was released yesterday, and also we'll check out Apple Pay in India. Without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. As soon as you update to iOS 14 Beta 2, the first small change you notice is the calendar app icon. It has been changed now. Instead of the whole weekday name, now it shows the short form of the week name. Talking about the other change, in the settings app, go to your music settings and you will find that the show Apple Music option is gone now. And also you have a new option here which is motion, and which if on, your cover art will animate. Now the other two changes in the music app are the navigation bar here. Now the icons have been resized here, which makes it look more clean. The other changes here are the music controls now give a vibration feedback whenever you try to touch them. Suppose changing the track or playing or pausing the song. The other changes here, we can see that weather widget is now showing the correct location. Earlier on the beta 1, it was getting updated to Cupertino after a few minutes. Now talking about widgets, if you have a widget which doesn't have any configuration, there won't be any edit option. Right now here the weather widget has an edit weather option as it has the editing options, but the other widgets may not have it. For example, battery. One more important feature on the home screen is now we have add to home screen and remove from home screen options. Now here I'll try to remove this app and you have remove from home screen option instead of add to library which was on beta 1. Now after removing it from home screen, if you want the same app back on your home screen, you just go into your app library, hold the app and you have an option of add to home screen. Click it and you're back here. Another small and useful change for old iPhone users is that now you can switch video quality right from the app itself. Earlier you had to go into the settings and change it from there. So this is a good thing for old iPhone users. Talking about exposure notifications, on iOS 14 beta, exposure notifications have been removed. Now it won't be supported on iOS 14 beta, but if you want to take a taste of it, you can downgrade to iOS 13.6 beta. Talking about other feature, now you have support for 2 more languages in voice control, that is English India and English United Kingdom. Now talking about Apple Pay in India, just go to settings and you will find an option wallet and Apple Pay. If you remember, in iOS 13 this option was just wallet. Now after you open this, you have an option of adding cards. When you click on add cards, you can clearly see how it says Apple Pay. I tried to continue and add my cards but they didn't work and showed this error. If you are on iOS 14 beta, then please try adding your card and tell me in the comment section below if it works for you. Now, if you want to know the other changes of iOS 14 in detail, you can check out the feedback app which has the complete release notes. We could expect Apple Pay to come in India with the release of iOS 14 stable in September. Thank you for watching this video. Meet you in the next one. Subscribe this channel if you want to get more technology updates.